Wilson. We've found Wilson. Illuminati Wilson. See a triangle on it. Wilson. Oh, we got Franklin. He is going to be our new. Holy shit! Fucking lost her goddamn. Oh, there's a hornet nest right on that stick right behind you on your back.
No.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's just, look, it's got deformed.
Stop it. Just stop it.
All right, there's Wilson. Or Franklin. Let's get him. That's going to be our new souvenir. Franklin. We got to cut his head open and put like some weird like greens in it. Is it a good ball? Still holding air?
Yeah.
Sweet. I knew this trip would pay for itself. Stuff. All right, let's get out of here. Catch fish and sport the boat.